All right, here's the Pink Panther. All right, cool. There it is. So we're going to have a look at the first half of this piece here. And to finish it off, you'll have to visit our website. It's free to give it a shot. You'll have access to this whole thing, the sheet music, all the other music we've ever done. And subscribe if you feel I've earned it. Leave me a comment. And we can get started. I think actually I can finish off the whole left hand here, because there's really just 3 major units that keep repeating. So yeah, let's just cover those first, I suppose. All right, so left hand first. We got this first unit. The second unit is kind of backwards, right? It's the other direction. And the third, which only happens once, is starting on D and A. But more or less the same material. So let's have a look at the first. The first unit goes thusly. So basically what you have here is parallel fifths. By the way, this is middle C, right? So we're starting all the way down here. So we have parallel fifths in semitones moving up. 5 and 2 to start, moving to 4 and 1, lift. And then 5 and 2 again, semitone higher, and 4 and 1. All right, so when you get here, keep the thumb down, lift the bottom note, open up to octave on the bottom, 5th finger, and then connect back up to 3. So we have lift the bottom, open, and connect to 3. That's the first unit. The second is kind of backwards, but we start with E flat and B flat. So we have 4 and 1, again, parallel fifths descending this time. 4 and 1, connecting to 5 and 2. Semitone lower, 4 and 1 again, connecting to, not surprisingly, 5 and 2 again. Now this time we have one more movement. We have the thumb, which replaces the second finger here, like that. Lift the pinky, open up to an octave again, connect back up to 3. Switch, lift the bottom, octave, up to 3. That's your second unit. And the third one, which only happens once, is the same as the beginning really, like the beginning is here, except it starts on A and D. But the fingerings are the same. So we have 5, 2, 4 and 1, 5, 2, 4 and 1. Lift the bottom, open to octave, connect to 3. And that's it. So just learn those and you should be good to go. That's it. That's the whole piece in the left hand. That's it in a nutshell. Okay, so what we have in the beginning is, okay, I suppose I'll do this and I'll just count so I give you some context here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So we have unit 1 3 times. And on the third time, the middle of it is where the right hand comes in. So let's have a look at just the right hand, the melody, take care of that, and then we'll fuse the two together, we'll play the two together. So we have, I don't have to play it, everybody knows it. So 2-1, 2-3. Then same thing, but a little bit quicker between them. And then 5-4, 1-2, 4-3. All right, you see that? And I think everybody knows this tune so well that I don't really have to spend much time on the rhythm at all. One more time, that's 2-1, 2-3. Same thing. 2-1, 2-3, 5-4, 1-2, 4-3. Here you're gonna lift. 5, 4, 2, 1, 2. And that's it. So let's have a look at the hands together. So we just played this 3 times. Let's see, here we go. The first time. Second time. And here's the third time when the hands come in. So this is where they align. So when the left hand is on D flat, or D sharp rather, and A sharp, the D sharp in the right hand comes in. Together, together. Right, together. Right, together. Right, right. Right, right. Now here it comes together. Together, together. Together, together. Moving on. Left, right, 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 left. Yes. Okay, I think that's the best way to go about it. So you can watch that as many times as necessary to see how they align. And once you speed it up, it'll start to make rhythmic sense. It'll be much more contextualized and not so just free form, seemingly. All right, so that's it. I think that's the first main phrase. If you want to finish this off, visit our website and I'll see you on there. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.